What up, YouTube? I was surfing the web. These are push blocks for the table saw, but here over in Germany, they cost 80 bucks. Way too expensive for me. So I use my 3D printer, build them by my own. So I tried to copy that using Fusion 360, the body. So I left gaps here for the moving part. It's like this. You can adjust this from up here. Then you have the handbar like this, and you have the side panel. I can print 3 parts at one time. This is how it will look during printing. These are the layers, and it will take the printer 11.5 hours. So let's go to the 3D printer and print the shit. So these are the fully printed 3D printed parts. I left holes here, here, here and here to insert these thread inserts. Just insert the wood feet. When you did insert them into the parts, you can screw with normal screws in the parts. So they are more reliable and more stable than 3D printed threads. Pretty easy job, nothing to explain. This is a finished result. It takes a little bit of time every time, especially with the bigger ones. The small ones, they go in like butter. I insert them 95%, and the last 5% I do with the table, so that they get really nice and flat like this. These ones are really hot, so be careful not to touch them. You can burn yourself really easy. Now we can start with the assembly. So if you want to saw into a piece of wood that is this small, you couldn't do it properly because it's too dangerous. And now with the push block, just push it to the side and you can cut it perfectly, as you will see now. perfect cut, really safe, all with this thing. You can find the file for this thing and this is in the description. Happy printing, I would say, and see you next time.